Hi, my name is Bridget, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Google Calendar. So, first of all, to have Google Calendar, you have to have a Google account. So, once you create your Google account, you can go to your apps, and Google Calendar will be in your apps, and you click on it, and it'll bring you to this page. So, um, first of all, this is the monthly view. So, you can view in different ways. So, you have the day view, and then you have the week view, and then you have the month view, which is my favorite view, and you also have the year view, and then just your schedule and 4 days. This is your settings tab. So if you click on the little I guess I don't know what that is, but the little settings icon, and go to settings, it'll bring you to this page, and you can change your settings to how you like. So yeah. So this over here is just a mini calendar showing you, um, the current month or whatever ending. This under it, my calendars. This is all of your calendars that you create. You can also delete calendars. Like you can press the X and it'll delete the calendar. And then under other calendars, this is calendars that people might send to you, or calendars that you subscribe to. So first, I'm going to show you how to create an event. So I'm going to click on the date that event occurs, and that will pop up. So I'm going to add a title. Just going to enter baby shower. And then I'm going to add a time. You don't have to add a time, but yeah, fine. You can add guests, you can add a location, you can do a Google Hangouts video, and you can add a description. There's also a tab for to set a reminder for yourself, and then a task. So I'm going to click save, and that'll save my event to on the 21st. So next I'm going to show you how you could share your calendar. So I'm going to click on my calendar to share, and I'm going to go to the three little dots. Click that, and you can click settings and sharing. So click that, and you can scroll down. There's two ways you can share your calendar. You can share it, make it public, and then share it with a bunch of people and just send them the link, or you can only share it with one person and just send the calendar directly to them. So I'm going to click to share with one person, add people, and then I'm going to enter my email address. All right. And then right here is basically what you want to give them permission to do. So I'm going to just say make changes to events, and then I'm going to send. So um, after you do that, it should send the calendar to their email. Now, if they had a Google Calendar account, then once they got the email with the calendar, then it'll show up under other calendars under here because you sent it to them. So that's how you share your calendar. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Hangout on Google Calendar. So I'm going to click on my event, and then I'm going to go to edit event. So yeah. So this is basically just showing you all of the options that you have to edit your event with. And right here it says Hangouts. So you just click on that. You can choose to do no conferencing, and you can click on that, or you can just go here and then do click Hangouts, and it'll let you do a Hangout uh, of that event. But you'll have to bring a laptop and log into Hangouts and just do it that way. So yeah, that's how you make a Hangout on Google Calendar. So press save, and it'll bring you back. So next I'm going to show you how to import and export. Well, import. So you just click on I'm going to use my same calendar and click settings and sharing. Then you go here to import and export, and it'll bring you to this screen, and basically you just press select file from your computer, and it'll bring up that, and you can like press anything to upload and just import it. And so this is my tutorial on how to use Google Calendar. Thank you.